In this video, I will show you how to save and download your audio overviews in NotebookLM. Let's get started. I begin on the NotebookLM home screen, where I can browse through various featured notebooks and my own recent projects. I scroll down past the featured section to the recent notebooks area to find the specific work I want to access. I select the notebook titled Modern Intelligence, a Foundation for the Future. Once the notebook is open, I look at the studio panel on the right side of the screen. This is where my generated content, like the audio overviews, is stored. I find the audio brief and click on the three dots to see more options. A small menu appears with choices to change the playback speed, download, or share the file. I click on the download button to save the audio directly to my local storage. A new tab opens briefly as the file is prepared, and I can see the download progress in the top right of my browser. I click on the completed file in my downloads list to open it up. The media player launches, and now I can listen to my AI-generated research summary whenever I want. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.